Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting product to showcase, and if you're looking for the best silk mums for your home or garden, this is the one. The HyeFlora Artificial Fall Mums flowers are an ideal choice, offering a realistic and long-lasting solution for your fall decor. These 12 bundles of artificial daisy flowers are made with high-quality faux silk and plastic, ensuring they look vibrant and fresh year-round. The materials used are UV-resistant and all-weather resistant, so you don't have to worry about fading or withering, whether they're placed indoors or outdoors. Imagine how these beautiful flowers will brighten up your patio, porch, or balcony throughout all seasons. One of the best features of this product is the stunning combination of bright orange daisies with green eucalyptus leaves. This makes it perfect for any autumn or fall decoration, bringing a natural and colorful touch to your space without the need for constant upkeep. You don't need to water or maintain these flowers, making them a hassle-free option that keeps your space looking gorgeous all year round. When you receive your 12 bundles, you'll notice they come in perfect condition, though some minor adjustments might be needed to shape them to your liking. They are designed to fit seamlessly into any pot, window box, or planter, allowing for a versatile range of display options. The best part is, these flowers are so realistic, they're sure to add a welcoming touch to your front door or any part of your home. Whether you're decorating your garden, porch, or even your indoor spaces, these silk mums are an excellent choice. They are the perfect way to add a pop of color and charm without the maintenance that real flowers require. These artificial flowers bloom beautifully all year, making them a smart and cost-effective option for your fall decor. So if you're looking for an effortless way to decorate your home or outdoor spaces, the HyeFlora Artificial Fall Mums flowers are the perfect addition. With their lifelike appearance, weather resistance, and vibrant colors, they're sure to elevate any space, making them the best choice for your home. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.